good. Okay, day 2 of the 2023 Ram. I'm gonna be working on the seats today, taking them out. I've got this door pretty much done. I might be pulling some of the other stuff, get it ready for paint. And yeah, there's not really a whole all else. I don't know if we're getting another front door. I might pull the front fender as well. But the hood actually looks pretty good, so I'll keep that there. And yeah, I think that's it. Should be pretty quick to do all that.
Morning.
Just clean up all the glass. And that window being damaged. Glass is like everywhere in this thing. So I'm just gonna remove these rear seats. There's some wiring to unplug, some seat belts, and I believe, yeah, this part splits from this part. And that's pretty much it. There isn't a whole lot to it. I think it's 19 mil. There's probably about 8 of them. Maybe 9 including the seat belt. Pretty easy. Well, just to break them free, normally these fasteners are rusted on pretty good. And this isn't powerful enough to, and you can't tilt the rear part of the seat.
You almost hit me.
I don't care.
You and your creeper van.
Listen to Morgan.
Don't hit anything. No pressure. No pressure. Nice. That van suits you.
Jane's late night park pickups.
Okay.
So I just finished the rear seats. I'm gonna work on the front ones. You have to make sure that they are in the upright position, move to the middle so that whoever is gonna be taking apart the leather can work, I guess, the most area. If the seat's all the way down, you can't really get underneath, so make sure to have that set up for him. I'm doing these back bolts first, and then I'm gonna roll this seat backwards and then get the front ones and kind of center it and then unplug it and remove the seat. I'm just making sure it's in the upright position and the seat is as high as it can go before I unplug it. So I'm moving everything in this position because after I unplug it, you can't move it. So Johnny, when he's gonna be taking apart the cloth and putting the leather on, it's just much easier when the seat's at its max height and in the upright position. Yeah, one more seat to go, and that's it for the seats. Now this seat is not electric. It's all just manual. So that won't be an issue for Johnny. He can just adjust it whatever way he wants. Yeah, he's gonna be doing the leather and these headrests. Okay, seats are out. I'm just gonna keep working away at stripping the truck, getting it ready for the body shop. Driver's door. I should ask about the fender, see if we have one here. Yeah, took a hit. Oh, that's Jordy. Yeah, this is the whole, actually, it's got everything. Sweet. Oh, George.
Me or him would go for a drive on it. Okay. But what it's doing is when you drive it down the 401 after, he said there's just like.
Morning.
Good, and you? Yep.
Is Tyler here? Sorry,
No.
Jordy. You're Tyler.
I'm Tyler.
Hi, Tyler.
Hey Tyler. Yeah, he's here.
He's here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is Tyler here? Yeah, right here.
5719. So I just talked to Jordy real quick, and he was busy in the office, but he's gonna look into the parts, see if I can switch out that fender in the door. But I'll grab this cab corner and rear pillar, just throw them in the bed so the body shop can use it. So that rear part of the cab is pretty much comes to here, but I imagine they'll only use about that much. Heck, I don't know. They might cut it here. I really don't know, but they.
When they cut that out, can they save the back glass or will it?
Oh yeah, they'll probably remove the back glass and then just reinstall it. But yeah, I can't believe that didn't get shattered. Damage is right there. Gonna remove as much as possible so that's easier for the body shop.
Why do you have to remove the weather stripping?
Because they're probably gonna be doing welding and cutting. Don't want it to get damaged, and it's gonna be in their way. Yes.
Every time we hang out, you cut yourself.
Yeah. As reaching under. Oh yeah, it's everywhere. It doesn't help that there's broken glass in every vehicle I work on.
Remove all the plastic stuff so it doesn't catch on fire.
Yeah. So who knows how much they'll be into this.
What'd you just do?
Threw the blue speaker in. Either I'm just getting distracted or I don't want to forget about the little things. That's the window switch. I try and get it so that the body shop can put down the windows when they want, rather than just having it all like disabled. Kind of drawing a blank how these things come out. What I should do?
Devin would know.
Should look at this one, the broken one. This is not how I'm gonna remove it. Okay, so it's just held down. strips of metal. Hopefully I can take this one off a little nicer. Oh, what I do need to do, I need to put tape on those seats I pulled out. Johnny's just here now. Me?
Yeah. Did you take these out?
I took these ones out. I'm marking them right now.
Yeah.
I don't know who took those out. Maybe Devin. You'll find out when you go to take them apart and, you know. We did have one time that we installed a Ram seat, or we were working on 2 Rams, and one got switched into a customer's and one into ours. And the customer's one wasn't working correctly. See the sticker on his back glass? Check it out. I'm gonna leave this in. The body shop can remove that, but just to keep the window from shaking around when it's driving on the road. But yeah.
This one is a little marked up too, eh?
Yeah, it's...
So
I don't know if they can fix that.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one in a real bad spot.
But you never really know. Like, they'll fix some of the stuff we didn't think they would. So I think I'm gonna leave the glass in this door, just so that no water gets in, but this will definitely get changed when it comes back. I'm not sure if they're gonna fix this or if we're gonna get a replacement door. But either way, I'm gonna have to take apart all the good stuff from the store. The door panel, wiring harness. This guy will probably need to come out to get repainted. Yeah.
Would you shut up?
Okay.
Break that. No.
Is it?
No.
I can't hear shit.
I know.
And there's some weather stripping up here. Yeah, there was a sticker here. It says Legacy Custom Trucks.
But this truck only has
50.9 kilometers. So we're looking at this and see there's some vinyl that used to be on the back. Now this truck only has 50.9 kilometers on it. It says Legacy Custom Trucks. At least they removed it before we got it.
But obviously, if they built it, it didn't.
Oh yeah.
How does that even work? It's
I don't
a
know.
stock truck.
Unless this is the dealership. They're building custom trucks too, like us. I'm just gonna start stripping this front door till I don't know, Jordy comes out, I guess. Tells me if he has a door ordered or if we're gonna fix this one. It's a T20 actually, Torx. And there's a handful of them. And one Phillips screw. There's one Phillips screw right here and then the whole thing lifts off. Just unplugging some of the stuff. All this is gonna get reused.
Just say what you're doing.
I'm just removing this mirror because there's not much left of it. But you know what? We may still keep this for parts. Just, you know, the camera's still good. Because sometimes you'll get like a used mirror and it might have a part that's damaged. Like that is still good. So just working down here, I saw the mud flap. It says Legacy Auto Group. So this dealership is making custom trucks. Real original, right? But what I don't get is the only thing that's custom about this truck is the vinyl on the back. Maybe the blacked out logos, but I thought they come like that. I don't know.
Looks pretty factory to me.
Yeah, yeah. Like factory shocks and no lift. Factory tires.
But yet custom on the back
Yep.
window.
Custom. Door actually closes. Not bad, all things considered. That worked. Terry, I was wondering if the headliner needs to be pulled in this.
I don't know. It may not. Yep. It's gotta come out.
Okay.
Brian already cut this part. I guess it's right there.
Yep.
Yeah. What are you doing to this?
I was just stripping
Cutting
it.
Okay. That's fine. We've got it. We're sending it over with this fender on it. Don't open the hood or don't do anything.
Yeah. Well, I'll just leave this door the way it is. I can pull off this front handle.
Yep. You want the other fender put inside there? Yep.
You know anything about the dealership? Legacy? They do custom trucks?
Well, they're out west. Everybody does.
Okay, because we're trying to figure out what's custom on this.
Well, it's the whole set, the whole shop they have.
Yeah?
They can do anything and everything.
I just was expecting a little more. Maybe they are a big brand name.
Gonna have to Google them now.
Yeah. Maybe we shouldn't have been making fun of them. So I was able to yesterday get the emblems taken off. I got this door switched out and I got it stripped for paint. And this morning I removed the seats, sent them out to get leather installed. I was working on this driver's door, but I'm also going to be working on this headliner, taking it out so that the body shop can do whatever work they need and that the headliner doesn't get damaged. And after that, I'll take everything out that doesn't really belong for now and send it out. And then when it comes back, I'll probably be reassembling it. Even though the paint looks pretty close, it's definitely not the right color. So they'll match that and get that cab corner and that pillar replaced and all paint matched and looking brand new, like it is. As soon as I'm done with this, it's gonna go straight to the body shop and they'll be able to do whatever they need to do and they'll come back and I'll be able to work on it and finish it.